Hey guys, Omar here. Today I'm going to be doing a screen replacement on the Oppo Find 5. As you're watching this, you're probably in the same situation as I was in. After doing a lot of research, I have not come across a single YouTube video doing the same screen replacement project. So this will be the first, for me and for you. Hope you find this video very helpful. If so, please thumbs up and subscribe, as I will be making future unboxing, tech reviews and tutorials. Also, if you would like details on where I bought the screen and the tools, check out the description. Right, so first things first, this is the damaged screen and this is the replacement for the screen which we're going to be replacing today. There are several clips all around the back plate, so be very careful, especially in the corners. Try not to snap any, as you won't be able to clip it back down. To remove the back, I would be using two different types of picks, the longer one giving more leverage and the smaller ones giving more stability. I'm going to speed through this, but please you take your time, as I took a while taking the back off myself. Try not to snap any of the clips while removing the back. Right, I've removed the back, and thankfully all the clips are intact. The bottom clips weren't easy, and there's some sticky adhesive where the flash is. After removing the back, you'll be faced with 8 Phillips screws, so remove these carefully with a Phillips screwdriver. I'm going to speed up this part, because it will take some time. I'd recommend you put all the screws in a container, just like I did. You can remove all the black tape from the back, as it's not really needed when putting back together. After removing the black tape, we can now remove the NFC receiver by removing this metal plate. After removing the NFC, we can now remove the battery. As I was removing the battery, I discovered that there was some sticky adhesive underneath. Now the battery is removed, we can see where this connector goes, and now we can understand that this connector is for the screen. Next we're going to remove the LED flash diffuser and the antennas. There is an antenna covering a wire on one side. Make sure you remove this very carefully. There are 2 metal clips and a small amount of sticky tape holding down the speaker module. To remove this, go from the bottom end and lift up. Now we're going to remove the camera. To remove the camera, we need to disconnect this connection, then simply just pull straight out. This is the camera module. Next we're going to remove the motherboard. Make sure that all the connections have been disconnected. There is a metal clip on the bottom of the motherboard. Pull that to be able to release the motherboard from the body. This is what the motherboard will look like after it is removed. Other than the metal clip, there is adhesive holding the motherboard down. I would recommend removing the SIM card tray to reduce the risk of damage occurring within the SIM card slot. You should then pull away the front facing camera and sensor to prevent damage when the glass is being heated up. You can now prise off the vibration unit and antennas with a prising tool. It's mainly stuck down just with double-sided tape. We have now come to the stage where the only things that are left in the phone is the screen, the SIM card reader, front-facing camera, sensor, and 3 ribbon cables. And only then we can start removing the screen with a heat gun or hairdryer. Because someone will need to be holding the hairdryer while the other is prising the screen off. Remember that the bezel will get extremely hot. When prising the screen off, make sure that the prising tool is above the bezel and you're not trying to prise off the actual bezel. To be able to get the tool underneath the screen, you have to push the screen out. To be able to push the screen out, you have to place your thumb on the copper rectangle on the back of the screen. By pushing on that, the screen will slightly raise out of the bezel. That's when you can stick your tool in, because the screen comes away but the bezel stays. Once you've heated up the glue and got your tool into the screen, you can then remove the screen from the glue. Then you can pull away the rest of the screen. Bear in mind that the cables are still attached to the back.
That's right. We're going to start the groove off tonight by going back into the days, back to the disco days. This is where it all started out for us.
Now we have removed the damaged screen, we can place double-sided super adhesive tape to the actual phone itself. Also place some down at the bottom of the screen to hold it in place, as they did have a stencil sticker on the old original screen. Right guys, we're there. The end is now. We have got a new beginning for our phone. It is alive and kicking. As good as new. It was a bit hard at the start, but hey, what isn't? You're gonna watch me talk through it, you're gonna see me how to do it, so you're probably in the same situation as I'm in. This is the first YouTube video that's on there, how to replace the screen. So obviously I've never seen anyone do it, so I don't think you have until this video. So thank you for watching. This has been Omar. See you around. Maybe I'll walk to you. You see me around. See me around. I'm out.